St. Mary's has a way of really bringing it back to like the community that you're part of, or the communities, and how you can make a difference in small ways or big ways. The origin story is very fun. I found out about Monument Crisis Center when I was a senior at St. Mary's, and I was here for like full days over the course of the janitor, but it was really a lot of like heavy interaction with the staff and the clients and the volunteers. I wanted to come back so bad, and so I joined AmeriCorps and did a year of service in the food pantry. Really felt like connected to the center and found my way back. So I worked on food drives. I connected with like donors or church groups or schools.
After leading operations in the food pantry, Gambero became Monument's first ever development director. Now she's leading a capital campaign to expand Monument's offerings.
And it was exciting. It was a new opportunity to continue to like make an impact, but in a way, different way than I was used to. The space that we're in is too small now for the amount of people that we're serving. We will double the size of our pantry, and I see a lot of opportunity for us to take that program to another level and offer more for our clients, give more opportunities for like bigger volunteer groups. It's very full circle because that's where I started my career here. Mission-driven work and leadership is kind of what St. Mary's is all about. I've always had goals for myself that involve like leadership, making a difference. I think St. Mary's was the right place for me to work towards those goals and made me who I am today.